because if there's one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shop for my house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae. In today's video, we are doing a huge home haul for all the things that I got from Temu. Some of these things were purchased by me and some of these things were free from playing Temu games. Everything that I have in this video will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in the comments. Let's go. Garage, look at this, guys. Because one thing I am gonna do is shop for this house. All right, so here is the first thing. I'm not going in any particular order, so we're just gonna open it and show you, and then in the next couple of videos, you guys will see me putting these things. So this is something that goes under the sink. It's like a sink tray. 5 LED flameless candles with a remote. It looks like these come with a glass trim. So that is a set of 5. This one comes with 2 remotes. So if I lose one, I have a backup. That's really cool. And this one comes with extra flames in case one of them breaks or whatever. Stainless steel measuring cups and spoons. We are upgrading the kitchen because we got a new kitchen. So I'm really excited to see what these look like in person. Oh, these are so cute. Oh yes. So this is what it looks like. Are the spoons. All right, so these are magnetic. So cute, I like it. And then I have the actual cups as well. Cups. Next up, we have a flat, like, cleaning tool to get like under like your washing machine, get under the fridge. It's a super flat little duster thingy. So this is how flat it is. And it's just gonna get under all those things like the washing machine. Just another tool to have in the house. And it extends. Not a dent in it. Come on, Temu, with these defective things. There's a dent that makes it hard to untwist. But this is to get under those hard to reach places like under the fridge or under the washing machine, in between the dryer. Just a cute little device to have. A herb saver. Box open, okay. But this is what it is. It's a way to preserve your herbs in the fridge without them going bad so soon. So your cilantro, your parsley, which I need because they always go bad. It's way bigger than I thought. Just put water in it, and then you put your herbs in there in the fridge and you preserve them. Okay, we're gonna try this out. If it works, I'm gonna keep it. If not, she's going back. These are under, oh, this is huge. This is a under the sink mat, but this is really big. And it's like a silicone texture. I don't think this is gonna fit under my kitchen sink. We're gonna have to test it out. I can't really cut it, but this is what it looks like. It's a nice silicone material, but we're gonna have to test it out. Hopefully it fits, but it's way bigger, way, way bigger than I thought. I have no idea. I think this is a blanket. I'm pretty sure it's just a blanket. Looks nice, plush blanket. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the color. Oh, this is going right upstairs in the bedroom on my cute little lounge chair. Oh, this is so soft. Y'all see the way this looks? Oh, this is so nice. The material is very, very soft. I love it. Okay, Temu. Okay, we see you, girl. I thought these were some bangles, but they're actually curtain holders, like to pull the curtain back and hold them back. And they're so cute and bold. Oh, I can't wait for this living room revamp, but this is what they look like. How stinking cute. I'll get a close up for you guys to see it. But it is a set of 2 curtain holders. Oh, I could wear this as a bangle, but these are for the curtains. Wait a minute now. Not me about to wear these as cuffs. I mean, that wouldn't be too bad to wear them as a cuff. This looks so pretty. But this is for the curtain. I might have to just wear this, honey, okay? Wear it as a cuff, who gonna stop you? Who gonna check you? So, so cute. All right, let's continue. We have some little hooks. So these are what the hooks look like. And they're just cute little hooks. I'm gonna put them like in my closet to like hang up my hats and stuff. And this is a set of 8. And it comes with the little adhesive on the back. Oh, this thing is so much smaller than I thought. But this is like a little strainer with a handle. It is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Like really, really smaller. I thought it was gonna be like the size of a bowl, but this is a strainer device type thing where you can, this thing is too small. Like, I'm a juicer. Like, I need something that's big. But anyways, it's like a little device that you use to strain. I don't think I'm gonna keep this. I think I will return this one because this is way too small. But you open it like this and you like drink. This is too small for me. I need something bigger, but I like the idea. It comes with these little foldable handles. And yeah, so like if you have strawberries in here, I don't know, I may keep it, but I feel like it's too small because I would have to do so many batches. But you'll just close it up, you turn it to close it. I don't know, I think I'm gonna return this. This is gonna go in the maybe pile. I don't think I'm gonna keep that. It just doesn't seem like what I really thought it was gonna be. It's too small, to be honest. The way I like to do my fruits and vegetables, that is gonna take me all day. So we're probably gonna return that. All right, here are 2 locks for a sliding patio door. You put this on the bottom of the door to lock it, and yeah, safety first. Now this I'm excited for. This is a stainless steel automatic soap dispenser for my guest bathroom, and it is sensor operated. You just put some batteries in it. Hopefully it works. Sometimes Temu stuff work for a little while and then they just break down. So this takes 4 AAA batteries. So once I get the batteries in there, I will let you guys know how it works. But this is it. It's a cute stainless steel one. I probably should have got all black, but it is what it is. We're gonna keep the box in case I have to return it. This is what it looks like up close. We're gonna try it out. If it don't work, it's going back. One thing about me, I'm in the business of returning things, so I'm not about to just let things sit and I wasted my money. So if it don't work, it's going back, baby. Next up, we have something that I really am looking forward to. This is a washing machine cleaner little tablets. This comes with 25 in a pack. We gotta clean out our washing machines, people, so we're gonna test this out in a later video. But we need to clean our washing machines because all that buildup, gotta go. In another bag. This is 3 layers of bag. This is a duvet cover set. It comes with 2 pillowcases and a duvet cover. Okay, we're gonna see. It is tightly packed, so let's see how big this gets for our queen size bed. Oh, the texture feels nice. Fresh white little duvet cover. And I'm trying to get into duvet cover. I'm trying to get into some real like hotel bedding type style. So it comes with 2 king size pillowcases. This is a very nice material. It's thin, but it does feel nice. It feels like the hotel pillows, literally, like the covers. It's very soft. Okay, Temu, I'm gonna wash it first because that's how my mom raised me. So yeah, but we definitely gonna try it out in a later video. But this is a duvet cover. Here are the zippers. Do I know how to use a duvet cover? No, but baby, that's what Google and YouTube is for. I'm going to learn. But this is the cover. And you put your duvet inside of it and you wash the cover every once in a while. All right, so we're definitely gonna try this out. Oh, it's very, very soft. I love this type of material, especially in the summertime. It gives it like a cool t-shirt vibe, but I like it so far. We're gonna test it out after we wash it. So this is a little basket. I'm gonna be redoing a lot of places in the house, so I just got this cute little basket to test it out to see if I wanna get more of them. This is just, it like has a wire in it. It's bent, but you could bend it back. And it has these little fake handles. It's very, very cheap material. But if you're putting, you know, lightweight stuff in it, I guess it doesn't matter. It's very cheap, I'm not gonna lie. It's giving like paper mache. It's not very good quality. I would not actually think I would order more of these. So I just tested it out and it's just very, very thin. I'm probably not gonna keep it. To be honest, I might return it. All right, so this one comes with a whole bunch of different sponges. All right, so this is like a little shower scrubber kit. One thing about me, I absolutely love buying cleaning products and gadgets. I really do. I enjoy my house having so many different options of things to use to clean it. So this is a little stick. I wanted something that's kind of not too hard, but this is really small. I thought it was gonna be really long, but it's a little plastic thing. And you just change out this thing by pulling it off. There's a little Velcro thing. You just put it on. I feel like I like a little easy cleaning thing to scrub something that's like kind of hard to reach. Even though this is very short, I still can use it to kind of clean the glass, the windows. You can even use this for your car. So yeah, and this one comes with a lot of different, I can't even hold them all. It came with a lot, like literally all of these came with it. There's a couple more. I think I have like maybe 5 more, 6 more. Oh, I'm excited for this one. Bath mat? Did I buy this? I thought it was a waffle robe. Oh wow, look at the quality on this thing. See, that's what I'm talking about, Temu. Sometimes y'all be hit or miss. Okay, so the back, this is the back side. It has like a little grip on the back. This is cute. Wait a minute now. This is a bath mat. Look at that. This thing is thick, okay? She's a thick one. Oh, baby, we're gonna use this ASAP. Look at this. Like, this is really, really nice. This is the back side. It's very, very soft. Wait a minute, Temu. Okay, so this is, I'm impressed by this. This is going right there by the tub. Oh, this is so cute. This is a 10 out of 10, Temu. This is what I'm talking about. Everything needs to be held to the standard right here. This is so cute. A waffle bath mat. 10 out of 10. I might just get it in more colors because this is really cute and it's really thick. So these are little toilet paper towel holders. So I've got these cute little gold accent toilet paper holders. So cute. Super cute color gold. I really, really like that. The gold is really pretty. This is like a makeup bag. I didn't buy too much stuff for me. I was really shopping for the house, but this is a cute little travel makeup bag. Cute and simple. I actually was thinking about selling something like this at BerryFae Beauty, so maybe I could test it out and see how I really like it. Rose of No Man's Land. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but this is what it looks like when it's like all closed up. And then when you open it, it's like this. So it has a couple different compartments so you can put your makeup and toiletries in. Just something cute. I think I got this for free, to be honest. That's probably why I have it. But yeah, it's cute. 2 more kitchen stuff. All right. So let's go rapid fire on these last couple of things because it's really just the last couple of things. And then we'll do part 2 in a week. Okay, I'm tired. And I need to put some of these stuff away. So next up we have a portable label maker. Comes with a charger, obviously. This is the color of it. This is the little label roll. Here is the little label maker. Obviously, I will let you guys know if it works in a vlog or something. Guy here, this is a 3-piece glad, not even gold. It says 3-piece glad. All right, anywho, let's see what this is. Oh, lights. This is for the beauty room. So it's a 3-piece set. Comes with the remote. All right, so here are the lights. These are like little overlights, picture lights. And it comes in a set of 3 for my 3 pictures that I have in the beauty room. All right, next we have, whatever this is, probably more cleaning stuff. I told you I like buying cleaning stuff. These are the little Mr. Clean matching erasers, Zoops. So we've got a whole bunch of these. Yeah, it's to like put over like a little mop. I'm probably gonna use this with my little steam mop, you know, just to have some different replacement situation, reusable, because you can just toss this in the shower. Toss this in the washing machine and you reuse it. Next up, we have something I'm super excited for. We are on the last 2 items. This is an electric milk frother. I am so excited for this. An electric milk frother. I like my little machine, but sometimes I just want to walk away and have the milk already frothed. So I really wanted to get something like this. So let's check it out. See, is it giving what it's supposed to? It's pretty big. It comes with a sponge to clean it. And here's the plug. Oh, a base. The base and the plug. I forgot it has a base. Okay, this is very... It comes with some frothing heads, attachments. Here is the base, and you put it on here. And yeah, you put your creamer, your milk in here, and you froth it for your coffee. So you don't have to use the handheld one. And it also obviously comes with a lid. This is so cute. I wish the hardware was gold, but anyways, it's cool. All right, so we're gonna test that out, see if it works good. If not, you're going back. And the last thing in this particular haul, we will be doing again another part, is this thing here. Here's a little hint. It comes with labels. All right, so it is a set of 2. Ooh, this is some nice glass. I'm gonna be using this for my oil. All right, I'm upgrading my kitchen, so this is gonna be my oil dispenser. It comes with 2, so I don't know what else I would use. Maybe it is another kind of oil, because I don't really use vinegar like that. But yeah, these are pretty heavy, thick quality. Oh my gosh, I think I really like these. And then here are the labels. You can have so many different things. You could put oils in here. You could put caramel syrups and stuff in there. They have labels for that, which I like. I might use to relabel my stuff. White chocolate, there's vinegar, vegetable oil, all the things. So it comes with a whole bunch of different labels that you could use on other stuff. And then these are the 2 glass. I think these are really, really nice. And it comes with a little funnel as well. Whew. You did it, girl. You did it. That is all the things that I got from Temu that I wanted to show you guys in this part 1 video. Again, everything that I mentioned